What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company to automatically schedule out videos that I don't have to edit or create. So what I'm going to be doing is actually giving you a full checklist with all these videos in it. I'm going to give you a free course as well on top of this, all kinds of cool free stuff. I'm even going to be giving you free trials to the tools that I use. So everything to get started with today is completely free. Now, if you want me to keep you updated with all of this and all the free stuff that I'm going to be doing, just comment below, subscribe, really helps up the channel, and it'll just take a second. So first of all, to get this spreadsheet that you see, you just need to go ahead and go over to digitalplaybook.com, put in information, and it will take you to another page with a long form video. You'll get an email with the spreadsheet, sign up for the free trial, and then on the thank you page, you'll be able to get the spreadsheet. Also, if you want to just bypass all that, join the free Discord community, and in the resources tab, you'll be able to access the spreadsheet. Going to the spreadsheet, as you can see, this is a list of about 130 AI tools that you can get paid to promote. Though now the ones up here, top picks, are the ones that I would suggest. The one that I'm going to be talking about today is Go High Level. One, because I use this for all my backend stuff. And then second, I really like their affiliate program. If you're going to be wanting to promote this tool as well, pretty much all these different tools, if you scroll down to the very bottom of them, they have a section where it says become an affiliate. So you would just sign up for that, and then you'll get an affiliate link that kind of looks like this that you will be able to use. Next, once you get this tool called Go High Level, it'll take you to a screen like this. This is called a sub account. Now, if you want a more in-depth video with basically the free course, this video is going to try to keep it short, 10-15 minutes, but it'll take you through how to create the sub account, how to import everything. That's going to be in the free course on the digital playbook. But as you can see over here, we have dashboards, conversations. The three that we're going to be talking about today or focusing on is going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, that's where the social planner is going to be. Automations, that's where you'll be able to import done for you emails. And then sites is going to be where your funnels and websites are going to be stored. So if you go over here to the new resource checklist down at the bottom, you're going to want to hit import snapshot. What this is going to do is it's literally going to import basically what I use in my account into your guys' account. So you'll have all the done for you automations, you'll have all the funnels, all the websites, all the different tags and custom values, and it saves so much time. And if you need help with any of this, setting it up, you can schedule a free call with myself and I will get this set up for you or guide you through it. So once you'll click here, import, then it's going to prompt you. Once you click import, it's going to prompt you to enter in your business name and all that kind of good stuff. Just fill out the information and then it'll take you to this account. What we're going to do before we talk about the funnel is we're going to get the backend set up as far as the automations and emails. So when someone clicks on your funnel to enter in their information, they're going to get put in to this email opt-in where I think there's about 60 plus emails that are already going to be in here that's going to be promoting whichever AI tool that you guys are going to be wanting to create content around. You might be wondering, how are they going to click on your affiliate link? If we go here, you see how this is highlighted. You'll see it says custom value right here. What this means is we're going to be able to go to settings and actually import place your affiliate link to where it'll just automatically show up in all of these emails. Go to settings, custom values. All you'll need to do is hit create new, type affiliate link, and then you'll place the affiliate link of whichever tool you choose to promote. have mine right here. Boom. So whenever that email gets sent out, this is the value and what's going to be inside that phrase right there. So we got that set up, the back end. Now let's go to sites where the funnels are. So this is just the standard funnel where you have your call to action, then video, then your button. So this can be the last AI video generator you ever will need. And then this could be a video of you talking about, I don't know, Pictory or just any tool, a long form video, because you got to be thinking these people, the traffic that you're going to be generating is going to be coming from short form content. And then button, obviously this is not set up, and this will just lead them to that, or this will be your opt-in that'll say name, email. Next is going to be creating or repurposing content. So in the digital playbook, if you go to the very bottom where it says IG Reels, as you can see right here, the drive link, these are recreated short forms that my team has gone and recreated from other accounts that you can see are proven to work from the numbers of comments and likes. So all you need to do is download these. And then what I would recommend is not just taking these and uploading them into the social planner. Go ahead and take that extra step since we already given you the content. Maybe add like an overlay or some type of effect. Maybe add some music under there just so it helps with maybe not getting hit with like repurposed content. But by all means, you can take these and upload them to Instagram or whatever. Recommend just taking that extra step. So once you download these, let's go back over here. You're going to go to marketing right here. And then we have the social planner right here. Before you would do anything, you would just go to settings, connect your different social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Let's go back here. And then you will just go to the calendar. Already got some planned out. Click right here. And then this is going to be where you put your content. As you can see, I already have content scheduled out for 15 days. So if I wanted to, I could just leave my computer and stuff would get uploaded, which is super convenient. Just in a nutshell, going over to the whiteboard. First, get that Google Sheet. You know what to do. Select that tool. Go high level. Another cool one is Descript. That's what I use to record and edit all my videos. Leonardo. I just made a video the other day about this tool and how I show my process of creating shorts. vidIQ, just pick one. Replicate content, showed you what to do. Upload that, you're sending traffic, automate and repeat. Boom. It's easy, it's simple, but it is hard. I'm constantly updating and putting things into Discord. Like the video, and happy money making AI pros. I'll see you in the next one.